Hey, everyone! In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of logging out of your YouTube account on your mobile device. Let's get started. First things first. Open up the YouTube app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look for your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, click on the Switch Account button that's located at the bottom of your profile picture, and it will bring up a menu. From here, click on the Manage Accounts on this device. Now, in this option, here, you can see a list of all the YouTube accounts associated with your device will appear. If, like me, you have multiple accounts on your device, this will show you all the accounts linked to your device. Now, you can see that the account you want to delete will have an option below it that says Remove from this device. After that, a confirmation message will appear. Now, click on the Remove button to confirm it. Keep in mind that this action not only logs you out of the YouTube app but also removes the account from all Google apps and services on your phone. So, if you use this account with other Google apps, you'll need to log in again. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.